Yeah.
For real though, that building is like it fell over.
It did.
It's even like tilted.
It is. Oh man. Uh-oh. That's pretty good. Oh man. Wow, that's pretty intense right there.
For real.
That was a neck snapper. I'm basically hanging out on the side of the car. That's so cool. That was pretty epic. I mean, when you're on the inside, you're literally hanging out.
Oh yeah.
Hanging out of the right side. The right side.
Your camera wasn't pointed at this the whole time.
No, it's pretty wide angle. It should be fine. I'll make sure. It's usually pretty good.
It's pretty good. Yes, it is.
Very cool.